Ganda ng view. Pwedeng mag-walking dito anytime. No restrictions. Huwag lang magkalat ng basura. And if you want to go have some refreshments, that's Alafu. Can you see the light over there? Yan, yung may ilaw. Na 1, 2, 3, 4 nakikita. Pwedeng mag-camping dyan. That's Alafu. You can see them on Facebook. Okay. You can walk around. Oh my god, my hands. So many. The weather is good. It's nice to walk if it's not raining. Kaso, make sure you have comfortable shoes or slipper. Kasi ako yan. Maglalakad na ganyan. It's bumpy. Then I like the bump over here. Ang ganda. Parang yung Arashimaya. See? It's nice. Okay. May mga kape, oh. That's coffee plantation. Coffee, yeah. It's coffee. Yung hindi alam ang coffee. Ganyan. Oh, may music. Galing sa ano? Sasakyan sa taas. Exercise. Pababa kami. And then, aakyat ulit. Ito yung fern na ginagawang parang basket. Yan, tinatanggal yan. Or, ano yun? Yung parang mat para sa not pot holder. Pot holder ba yun? Yung lagayan na circular ng mga lutuan, ganon. That's it. That's fern. Ginagawang parang pinggan, ganon. And then, pine needles. Pwedeng basket, flower vase. It's very nice to walk in here. Makapal ang kahoy. Actually, pwedeng mag-shortcut dyan sa bundok. Tas, akyat tayo dyan. Oo, pwedeng mag-shortcut dito. Wala naman sigurong ahas. Wala pang history. Kung meron yan, lalabas sa Facebook or sa social media. Yan. We'll pass here. Yan. Oh. Shortcut din namin. Hindi kami dadaan sa main road. Safe naman dito. Yon, maraming bahay. Gusto nyo mag-exercise? Yan. Mamili kayo ng aakyatin nyo. Doon. Dito, mas matarik yan. Or dito sa kanan. Wala pang history. Lalabas sa Facebook kung meron. Sa Janhay meron. Here. Yung iba yan, pumaparada. And then naglalakad. Hinihingal na ako. Handang maglakad. taong naglalakad din. Oh, yan. We're here on top. Oh yeah. Diba yan yung dinaanan ko kaninang pababa? Tapos umikot. And then bumaba doon. Then akyat dito. Shortcut. Tapos yan. Doon kami nag-park. Lapit lang, and that's Alabo. Yung may tent. Kaka-relax. Pwedeng mag-baon ng pagkain dito, kumain, pero huwag magkalat ng basura. Yan. So nice. Yan. Kala mo malayo, no? Pero ayaw na namin lumayo. Yan, may naglalakad din. Shortcut lang. And that's Wangal area. Maglakad nga kami dun sa highway. Everybody can come here and it's free. And then, no entry, use entrance kasi part yan ng Alabo. Camping yan. Thank you for watching.